how to make video or voice call on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make video or voice call on Telegram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the chat or contact of the person that you want to call. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on the call icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you do that, it will directly call it to the person. And here, if you want to make a video call, then you can tap on start video as well. And that's it. That's how you can make a video or a voice call on Telegram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.